Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Darmoshark TOP75 wireless mechanical keyboard with a built-in tiny TFT screen. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by WhatGeek. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm purely bringing you this review so you can make an informed buying decision. So let's take a look underneath the box and reveal the keyboard. This is absolutely stunning. Really very impressed with how this keyboard looks. I love the color combination of the sort of almost slate black, the lighter grey and the really bright lime green keycaps, and of course the markings on the keycaps as well. Really very impressed. Now inside the box, apart from the keyboard itself, you get a quick start guide. You also get this little bundle of cable. So it's USB-A to USB-C, but there is an adapter included inside the box as well. You can see here. We also get a keycap puller, so we can change the keycaps and the switches inside. And whilst we're on the subject of switches, this has got dual tone PBT keycaps, custom Shark switches, which give a really quick response as well. Very low latency, and 3 modes of connectivity on this. You can connect it via Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, or wired as well. Now before I plug this in, let's just take a look around the keyboard. This is a really solid keyboard, semi-translucent casing to it, really nice markings on the keys. We've got this rotary dial just here, which also acts as a button. We've got some extra buttons down the side here, really nice direction arrows, and the little TFT screen, which I'll show you in action very shortly, is just in this top left hand corner. On the back here we've got a switch which allows you to switch between the Bluetooth and 2.4G modes, or you can put it in the off position of course. And then we've got the USB-C connection just there, and then the Darmoshark sort of branding. This is really nice. Got this sort of plate just here, really adds a nice aesthetic touch. There's no flip out feet on the bottom, but we have got a little tiny door on the base here which houses the 2.4G dongle, so really nice that that's sort of in the back there. Oh, and also look at the underside of the keyboard. It looks absolutely stunning, really very nice indeed. So let me stop talking and give you a typing demonstration. It's a really nice experience. They're nice and responsive keycaps, decent amount of travel, nice dampened sound as well, so not too loud. And also the spacebar, really nice and evenly distributed, so really nice solid feeling, sort of clunky sound to this keyboard, nice and dampened as I mentioned earlier. And we've got a really good amount of travel and a really responsive low latency experience. It's absolutely stunning. Now of course, this is a backlit keyboard. Let's get this plugged in and we will turn it on, and you can see as we turn it on we get the backlight come up, really nice backlighting, and also we've got this tiny TFT screen which shows the mode that you're in, also the battery life and the Bluetooth connectivity, because we're in Bluetooth mode at the moment. So a nice sort of informational tiny little TFT screen there, really sort of nicely placed. It's not too big, just got some extra information which I really appreciate. Love the backlighting. Even on this rotary dial we got some lighting as well. This is a stunning keyboard, really nicely designed, great color combination and excellent performance. I definitely recommend that you check this out. If you want to purchase one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. I want to thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very soon.